Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect your battery on Samsung Galaxy A45 and A55. So here is my Galaxy A45, but it's the same also for A55, and if you want to protect your battery on this phone, it is very easy. You need to go to settings and here go down and tap on battery. And here we have battery protection, and from here you can adjust charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery. Now I will tap to go in. Now it's turned off, but if you tap here you can turn it on. And let's read. Keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choose an option below to protect your battery and make it last longer. And here we have three options. The basic one. When your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. And also we have here maximum. Your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. And the last one, it's adaptive, and it's a combination between basic and maximum. And use maximum while you are asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. Now, in my opinion, the best choice is maximum, because your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. And in years, your battery will last longer, and you will see the difference. So this is what I recommend to protect your battery if you plan to use this phone for a long time. I hope this tutorial to be a good one for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.